To remove this radio, VY, VX, it's pretty much the same for VY and VX. Here's some tools. You can buy tools off eBay. I've made some out of bits of wire with a notch out. So a little notch. So that notch goes towards the radio. And then you just pull out a bit this way and pull. I'll do it with two hands. There. I had to use two hands. It was a bit hard. Someone had already pulled it out, it's a bit broken. Help if I shine the camera in the right spot. So you pull that out. That's not plugged in. Then you've got to remove, if you're putting a new radio in, you've got to remove this steel cradle. So I'm just pushing those back plugs out a little bit. Hard to see there. So you can, there's clips there, you can push it out a bit. That antenna plug can come out. Undo that screw there. Also there's two screws, one here, so this bit of plastic. Take that bit of plastic out. So I've had to start getting it out because I definitely need two hands to pull this out. But once this is out, yeah, oh, the cable's still connected. You see it goes through the back of the cradle. Yeah. Look, it's all out. So if you're putting a new radio in, that steel cradle has to come out, and then you fit the relevant dash kit. And this wiring doesn't come through really much further than that. So remove the glove box and take this panel out, and you'll get to the wiring down there. That's fairly straight. Well, I guess this glove box comes out easily. So yeah, just take those two screws out and this panel will drop down, and then you can pull that wiring back through. It'll just come back through quite easily. If you need to know anything else, just ask a question. Thank you.